Hi, I'm Caden Johnson 91, and today we're going to do a video about tires, and we're going to smash some stuff. So we're going to smash some Peeps, some more Peeps, 40p chocolate, and some orange soda. And we got the mini doors to smash stuff, and the van. So let's get to it, and let's start smashing some stuff. See guys, we got all this stuff on the ground. And leave a like and subscribe if you guys want me to smash this chocolate Easter bunny.
Get underneath the front tire, and then get in your car.
And then can I get out when it's smashed? Woo! Wait, where is it? Oh, it's behind my tire. Look, let's go. Bunny for sure. Dude! His eye! It tastes so fresh. Next, guys, I'm gonna smash the little bunny that we got. Now, put it on my milk chocolate. What do you guys want me to squish next? The fart buddy?
Put it this way so that it smashes out. Alright, there you go.
Doesn't fart. Oh my god. Oh, I heard it. I heard it again. I heard it again. I got it again. I heard it 2 times. So the blue one did not do any good. So next we're gonna maybe do the pink one with my dad's van. But right now, with my car, we're gonna do the pink.
There you go. I'm going to run them all.
fart putty. So you guys, let's watch my dad crush the pink putty. Look at how that looks, you guys. It's so crushed. You would not want to use this. Now, you guys, we're gonna crush the orange soda. Okay, let's put this by the. Wait, am I?
Ready?
Go. So you guys, we had to move it since it rolled away when we were hitting it. Go. Again. We need like a brick or something. So you guys, we had to move it again. The wood wasn't strong enough. So let's try it again. Oh, that was so cool.
We're smashing things.
Woohoo. They're letting me clean this up on my own, you guys. So guys, it was a great time of smashing, and I gotta clean my dwarf car tires because look at all these peeps. There's even peeps on the bottom. But make sure you guys subscribe, hit that like button, and make sure you guys turn notifications, hit that bell, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.